Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 10th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the yen pairs did have a pretty strong move down yesterday. We definitely did have a little bit of a break of structure, so that tells me that the last wave is complete. But because the daily, the weekly, and the monthly are definitely still up, I think that this is just going to end up being a pullback to the uptrend. I think we're likely to go down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, some sort of an ABC pullback, and very, very likely going to end up continuing up. So now that we are kind of drifting up a little bit, now what I would do, I just wanted to show that first example with this fib, but now what I would do is put my Fibonacci retracement like this, because if we're in a wave B right now of an ABC correction, a wave B should be a pullback to the wave A. It should potentially go to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then it should potentially go down for a wave C, which the wave C would potentially go to a Fibonacci retracement level and then move up the way that I first had my fib levels. And then, more than likely, the higher time frame daily trend will continue. I definitely am waiting for my longs. I mean, this wave C definitely doesn't have to be very big. It could potentially just do this and then keep going up. So I'm definitely still keeping an eye out for longs because all the higher time frames are definitely still up. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.